Homemade pizza crust. I'm going to start by blooming yeast. So I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar to 3/4 cup of warm water. Once this has bloomed, I'm going to transfer it to the bowl of my stand mixer, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of basil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 270 grams or 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to transfer this to my stand mixer and start on low to incorporate the flour, and then I'm going to turn this up to medium. If your dough is too wet, you can add flour. I needed an extra 1 teaspoon. As soon as you see a shaggy dough like this, stop adding flour. It will become a cohesive ball pretty quickly, and then we're going to need that for 5 minutes. Your dough should be tacky, but not overly sticky. Transfer it to an oiled bowl, rolling it around to make sure it's fully coated, and then you're going to cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Once your dough has rested, you're going to turn it out onto your work surface. And I'm going to roll this until it's at least 1 to 2 inches bigger than my pizza pan. So I'm going to start by forming a ball and kneading for 1 minute. And then I'm going to begin shaping this out. Now you can do this with your fingers, or you can do this with a rolling pin. Once your dough is large enough for your pizza pan, you're going to lay it in, and then you're going to take that 1 to 2 inch overage and you're going to roll it up along the sides to create the crust. Brush the entire base and crust in olive oil, and then sprinkle any seasonings you'd like along the crust. I'm using garlic powder. Then it's time to sauce, top, and bake for 15 minutes.